Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you guys have now a Ford with a 3.5 or 3.7 V6 engine, we're talking about Ford Fusion Sport or we're talking about Ford Taurus, guys. Stay with us and we're going to share the cylinder head torque specs, bolt sequence, okay, and the camshaft caps and all that stuff. This is the head. Okay, let me show you. That's what it looks like. This engine, guys, is used in many Ford vehicles, so it's the same as the one even used in Ford Edge, Lincoln MKX, quite a few things. So stay with us, guys. That's what we'll be covering today. Quite helpful information. This engine, okay, should work on any Ford Taurus Fusion that you have, the 3.5 or 3.7 engine, and the 3.7 with the single variable timing gear. If you have the double one, it doesn't work. It has to be single, but most of them will be, especially for the Fusion Sport. You just have the 3.5. Now whether you're doing front rear head, also known as left right head, the sequence is practically the same. So we'll show you guys, okay, now which way everything goes and all that stuff. In order to remove or install the cylinder head bolts, you need to remove the camshafts, both of the camshafts. And once you remove the camshafts, you will be able to get to the bolts, which are, okay, let me get a little bit of light right here. You can see, like this bolt. So now let us explain you guys about the sequence and what needs to be done. I'm going to get my paper quick. Okay, and now what we guys have. We're going to start by, okay, I told you the bolts are here. One, oh, you can see two, okay, two bolts right here and two here. So altogether you have 8 bolts, and you have one little bolt, excuse me, okay, one little bolt on the side of the head. Okay, this bolt right here, or this bolt over there, little bolt. So now what needs to be done, guys? Okay, let us show you the sequence now first. Okay, sequence will be as it follows. Okay, you have one bolt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you have bolt number 9, the little bolt here. So you can see it follows like that. Okay, bolt number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you have the little one. What are the torque specs, guys? We have the whole video from start to finish on our channel. Check it out. It's like 2-hour video to replace cylinder head gasket. So it's there if you need to check it out. Step number 1. Okay, step number 1, guys, it's 20 Newton meters. So you have to set your torque range, okay, at 20 Newton meters now, and you need to go on each of the bolts again. You need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now next, step number 2. Okay, you will need to go 35 Newton meters. 35 Newton meters. So again, you need to set your range at 35, and you're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 3, 4, and 5. That's crucial now. This is 90 degrees angle. 90 degrees angle. And what is 90 degree angle? Okay, if you start like right here, okay, you need to finish over here. That's 90 degrees. Quarter revolution. Okay, 90 degrees. And step number 4, 90 degrees again. Step number 5, 90 degrees. So that little bolt, okay, number 9, bolt number 9, needs to be between 8.5 and 11.5 Newton meters. We usually go around 10 on those. So those are for the head bolts. Now we need to do, guys, okay, we need to do the camshaft caps now. And the camshaft caps, they go in order. Now you can see it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you're going to start with the intake camshaft and you're going to start from this side. Okay, and you have bolt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will go like that. Okay, if we have the paper, you have bolt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this is, okay, this is for the intake camshaft. For the exhaust camshaft here now, you're going to do something like that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And these bolts, guys, okay, all these bolts need to be between 8.5 and 11.5. Okay, 8.5, 11.5 Newton meters. Okay, so you need to set your range. We usually go around 10, but you can go between 8.5 and 11. And you go like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next, step number 2, guys. Okay, this is step number 1. Step number 2, okay, again, recheck everything. Recheck. So you need to make sure that everything's the same and everything's good. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you having a Ford Fusion Sport or Ford Taurus. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.